Did you know that email marketing involves using email to advertise products or services and encourage customer loyalty? This marketing approach keeps email subscribers informed about new products, special discounts, and additional services if you're a professional business owner or just starting your own business. It is a highly effective and widely used marketing tool. From 2024 to 2032, the global revenue from email marketing is expected to increase by 287%. Welcome back to my channel. First, the average return on investment (ROI) for email marketing campaigns is $42 for every dollar spent. Second, email marketing allows you to directly communicate with your potential customers. Imagine someone visits your website to check out your products, but they get distracted by a phone call, an errand, or any other interruption. They may plan to return but often forget or need more time to decide. With email marketing, you can reach out to these potential customers again, increasing the chance of making a sale. This method helps recover lost opportunities and boosts your sales. This course will guide you step by step on how to make your first $1,000 with email marketing without spending money on paid ads, buying courses, or needing followers or copywriting expertise. It provides everything you need to succeed with email marketing without any upsells at the end. Let's start with the first step. When done correctly, people actually enjoy receiving emails from companies they trust. According to a recent study, 80% of U.S. consumers prefer receiving permission-based marketing communications through email rather than SMS, TV ads, or cold calls. Before starting with email marketing, it's crucial to choose the right offer to promote. This could be your own products or something you're promoting as an affiliate. The key is to have an offer ready for your email list. 3 steps to boost your email marketing profits. Step 1. Enhance open and engagement rates. If you're not making as much money from email marketing as you'd like, start by improving your open and engagement rates. Increase open rates. Craft compelling subject lines, ideally under 50 characters, to avoid them getting cut off. Use subject lines that create curiosity or urgency. Avoid common mistakes like excessive punctuation or using all caps. Avoid spam folders. Send emails from a professional domain and ensure easy unsubscription to reduce the risk of being marked as spam. Deliver high-value content consistently. Provide valuable and interesting content in every email to build a strong subscriber relationship and make your email something readers look forward to. Boost engagement rates. Or personalize content. Use data to send tailored email series to different subscriber groups. Incorporate visuals. Use images, GIFs, and videos to make emails more engaging. Focus on a single CTA. Include one clear call to action in each email to guide readers and improve conversions. Optimize design. Ensure your emails look good on both mobile and desktop, and test them across various browsers. Improve sign-off. Choose effective email sign-offs to strengthen your connection with readers. Step 2. Grow your email list. To boost your earnings from email marketing, expanding your email list is crucial. Here are some strategies to increase your subscribers. Create a lead generation page. Build a landing page specifically designed to collect email addresses and promote it across your social media, blog posts, website, and ads. Leverage social media links. Use the link in your Instagram bio and other social media profiles to direct followers to your lead generation page. Use website pop-ups. Implement pop-ups on your website to encourage visitors to subscribe to your email list. Run contests or giveaways. Host events that require participants to sign up for your email list to enter. Step 3. Monitor and analyze performance. Track your email performance using A/B testing and analytics to refine your strategy and increase profitability. By following these steps, you can enhance your email marketing efforts and potentially increase your earnings from future campaigns. Here are ways to profit from email marketing to boost your earnings. Sell complementary products or services. Offer additional products or services that complement your main offerings. For example, if you run a coaching business, you could sell ebooks, training guides, online courses, workshops, or group coaching sessions. Launch a paid newsletter. Monetize your email marketing by creating a paid newsletter. Many successful newsletters provide some free content but charge a subscription fee for access to exclusive material and perks. Benefits might include exclusive articles, access to a private community, monthly Q&A sessions, or productivity templates. Promote your paid newsletter across your website, blog, social media, and ads. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services through affiliate marketing. By sharing customized affiliate links, you can earn a percentage of each sale made through your referrals. This method allows you to generate income without managing production, shipping, or customer service. Choose affiliate products that align with your audience's interests to maximize effectiveness. These approaches can help you diversify your income streams and enhance your email marketing efforts. 4. Sell ad space in your emails. Monetize your email list by selling advertising space. You can use third-party services like Paved, which connect advertisers with email marketers. For instance, Morning Brew features advertiser logos at the top of their newsletters. Request referrals. Boost your email list and sales by encouraging current subscribers to refer friends. Offer trackable share links and provide incentives for successful referrals. 6. Incorporate social proof. Enhance credibility and drive sales by including customer reviews and case studies in your emails. For instance, Second Skin Audio shares customer testimonials and before and after stories to promote their products subtly. 7. Personalize and automate campaigns. Use automated email sequences based on subscriber interactions and behaviors. Automation can handle tasks such as recommending products, sending targeted campaigns, and following up on abandoned carts. This personalization helps deliver relevant content and improves overall engagement. For example, Ninja Patches uses personalized email content to enhance its revenue pipeline. By following these steps, you'll be able to create engaging and effective email campaigns. Observe and adapt. Study newsletters for effective subject lines and preview texts. Select contact list. Use your pre-made list, such as TikTok Creativity Program. Design message. Start with a blank template, keep it simple, and add a friendly message. Add call to action. Insert clickable links within the text. Customize and finish. Adjust colors, use AI tools for subject lines, and click Next. Schedule or send. Choose to send immediately or schedule for later. Automate. Use autoresponders to automatically send emails to new signups. To set up an automated email campaign, begin by creating an autoresponder that sends an initial message as soon as someone signs up to your email list. Save and publish this autoresponder. For subsequent emails, schedule them at intervals such as every 2 days. This way, recipients receive regular emails, keeping them engaged and more likely to purchase. By consistently sending emails every 2 or 3 days, you can remind and educate your audience until they are ready to buy your promoted product. Next, drive traffic to your landing page. Here are 3 free methods to promote your links and gather email signups. Medium.com. Write and share articles on this platform, which attracts 400 million visitors per month. Medium articles can also rank well on Google, bringing additional traffic. If writing is not your forte, consider using AI tools to help generate content. Just ensure to make some edits to avoid being shadow banned. These AI tools can optimize your articles for SEO, improving their visibility. Publish articles on relevant topics. Include your affiliate links and email sign-up forms within the content. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or SEO-focused content generators to create and optimize your articles. Leverage social media. Share your content on social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Join relevant groups or forums where your target audience is active. Guest posting. Contribute guest posts to other blogs or websites in your niche. Include your links and email sign-up forms in these guest posts to drive traffic back to your landing page. By following these steps, you can create a continuous flow of traffic to your landing page, gather email signups, and effectively use email marketing to convert leads into customers. Here are some tips for creating and sharing faceless TikTok videos, which can be used to drive traffic to your landing page and collect email signups. Write and publish articles on Medium. Create valuable content with key takeaways and FAQs. Copy and paste your article into Medium's editor. Add a catchy title and relevant images. Add topics or keywords to increase visibility and publish the article. Leverage YouTube. YouTube videos can attract traffic indefinitely and can also generate ad revenue. Create tutorials showcasing your email newsletter and promote your links. Offer value by providing tips, coupon codes, or additional resources. Omni used faceless video formats such as screen recordings or voiceovers to avoid being on camera. Regularly update content and engage with viewers to maintain and grow your audience. By utilizing these platforms and strategies, you can effectively drive traffic to your landing page, collect email signups, and promote your offers, all without showing your face on camera. Check out my other videos on passive income strategies. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.